Don't click that link, just stop and think. If it looks suspicious, then heed my wishes. Leave that link alone. Leave that link alone. I know it's unfair, but you gotta stay aware. Leave that link alone. This world's a crazy place. On the email, TikTok, YouTube, and Face. But you gotta think twice, 'cause not everybody's nice. Leave that link alone. Yes, leave that link alone. Leave that link alone. I know it's unfair, but you gotta stay aware. Leave that link alone. So friends, as you probably know by now, my YouTube account was hacked this week, and it's been not fun, a not fun week at all. But I've learned a lot of valuable lessons. And I want to share with you what happened, because it can really happen to anyone. And the hackers and scammers these days are so smart, and they're coming up with new scams and hacks all the time. So the more we talk about it, the more we share, hopefully the less it will happen to us. So this is what happened to me. I received an email from YouTube saying that I had violated a copyright something or other, and I needed to fix it, or else I was going to lose my channel or lose my video or something like that. So I clicked the link in that email, and it brought me to another site where I had to sign in. And I did the two-factor authentication and all that stuff, and I don't know what happened after that. I went to another official looking page, so I thought nothing of it. Then, a few hours later, I got a text from someone saying, I think someone has hacked into your YouTube channel because they're streaming some Bitcoin political thing right now. So that's what happened to me. As of this moment, I don't have my YouTube channel back yet, but I do have my Gmail account back, and I think that's the first step. So hopefully everything's gonna be okay with my channel, because I've had my channel for over 10 years and just over 1,000 videos, actually over 1,000 videos on there. I do not have all of the videos backed up. I have some of the videos backed up, but 1,000 videos is a lot over the span of, over 10 years. So I'm more organized now than I used to be, but that's how it is. So please learn from my mistake. Don't click that link if you don't trust it. Always go to the website first. If someone's claiming their YouTube, don't click the link in the email. Go to YouTube and see if they're asking you the same thing, for example. But there are so many different kinds of scams and tricks that people are playing these days. It's sad. I don't like to think of people as evil or malicious or out to get me, and so it was easy for this to happen to me, but I'm going to be more aware now. I'm going to check the email of the person sending, and if it looks suspicious, then just take a pause. Maybe ask someone else if they think it looks suspicious as well. Just take some time to really think about it, because there's really no rush. They want you to feel panicked. They want you to feel something so that you take action right away. So just take a breath, think about it before you proceed. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed my little song, and share it with your friends so they don't get scammed or hacked too. And that's all for now. Keep smiling and stay tuned.